Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from a bridge loan using Upstart. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw from a bridge loan using Upstart, start by accessing the Upstart website or app. Log into your account with your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the loan management section of your dashboard. Look for the option labeled Withdraw from Bridge Loan or a similar prompt. Click on that option to begin the withdrawal process. You'll be prompted to review the terms and conditions related to the bridge loan withdrawal. Carefully read through these terms to ensure you understand the implications of withdrawing. After reviewing, you may need to confirm your intent to withdraw by clicking a confirmation button. Next, enter the amount you wish to withdraw from the bridge loan. Make sure this amount aligns with your overall financial plan and budget. Proceed to the next step, where you will input your banking information if not already saved. Ensure your banking details are accurate to avoid any issues with fund transfers. Once all information is correctly entered, review your withdrawal request one last time. If everything looks good, submit your withdrawal request. You should receive a confirmation message that your request has been processed. Keep an eye on your email or Upstart notifications for updates regarding your withdrawal. It may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. If you encounter any issues during this process, contact Upstart's customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.